In our last video, we explained about how to create follow-up, call log and visit log in Expand eziSALES application. Watch our previous videos, Expand eziSALES application part 1, 2 and 3. Link is given below in the description box. Let's see how to check sales team performance through Expand smERP. First, log in into ERP with your credentials. This is the home screen. Click on Leads. This is our lead detail page. Here you will find a range of pie charts and numerical data related to your leads and sales performance. You will find category-wise, status-wise, source and stage-wise breakup. You can also see the number of calls, follow-ups and visits made within specific time frames, like how many calls made today, on the previous day, in the week and in the month. You can also find sales representative-wise details as well. Now to get the detailed report of the performance, just hover on the print report button, click on call log option. Here comes the window. You can select the date range for which you want to see the report and then click on set date. You can get sales representative wise report as well as entire team's performance at once. You can find a particular contact wise performance of the team as well. You can select the type of follow-up like call log, visits or follow-ups. You can also select the type of document for downloading the report like PDF, Excel or Word. Then click on Run. Here's the report. In the report, you get detailed information of calls, visits and follow-ups made by your team.